Imagine a war where no soldier ever comes home in a body bag, because no soldier ever went. No funerals, no grieving mothers, no missing limbs, just a quiet signal sent from a bunker thousands of miles away, and a machine does the rest. Sounds like science fiction? It's already happening, and the world has no idea. Let's get clear on what we're actually talking about. An autonomous war robot. What the military calls a LAWS, a lethal autonomous weapon system, is a machine that can find, identify, and kill a target without a human pulling the trigger. No joystick, no remote pilot. The machine decides. The machine acts. We already have drones. A human operator sitting in Nevada controlling a weapon flying over a desert. That's remote controlled. A human still makes the call. Autonomous weapons remove that human entirely. Think of it like a self-driving car. It uses AI to see the road, detect obstacles, make split-second decisions. Now imagine that same AI, except instead of avoiding a pedestrian, it's targeting one. That's the technology on the table right now. And countries aren't just thinking about it. The US, Russia, China, Israel, South Korea, all actively building versions of this. Some already deployed. Israel's Harpy drone can autonomously detect and destroy enemy radar with zero human command. South Korea has guard robots at the DMZ that can identify and fire at targets automatically. In 2020, autonomous drones in Libya may have hunted down retreating soldiers without any human authorization. Possibly the first time in history a machine independently hunted humans in a real war. It barely made the news. This isn't the future. This is already Tuesday. Here's where it gets alarming. War is expensive, horrifically expensive. The US spent roughly $8 trillion on Iraq and Afghanistan over 20 years. A huge chunk of that? Keeping humans alive, training, salaries, armor, medical care, and veterans' benefits that last for decades after the fighting ends. Now replace that soldier with a machine. You build it once. No salary, no PTSD, no pension, no funeral. From a cold accounting perspective, autonomous weapons are cheap, disturbingly cheap. A Tomahawk cruise missile costs about $2 million per shot. Researchers are already building swarms of small autonomous attack drones for under $1,000 each. Drones that can overwhelm defense systems costing tens of millions. Let that sink in. A $1,000 drone defeating a $10 million defense system. And here's the economic domino effect nobody talks about. When something gets cheaper, people use more of it. Conventional war has a natural break, the cost in lives and money. Remove that break, and what's stopping the next conflict from starting over something trivial? A trade dispute, a border argument, a tweet. Cheap war is dangerous war. Right now, one of the biggest stops on a politician's road to war is a simple, brutal question. How many of my people will die? That question has ended conflicts before they started. Public outrage at body bags coming home ended wars mid-fight. Vietnam is the textbook example. But if your soldiers are robots, there are no body bags. There's no outrage. The political cost of going to war drops to almost zero. Smaller countries, rogue states, well-funded militant groups, any of them could now wage war with almost no domestic consequence, because none of their people are dying, just machines. And on the receiving end, real humans, real villages, real funerals. We've covered what autonomous weapons are, what they cost, and why cheap war is the most dangerous kind. But we haven't even gotten to the scariest part yet. What happens when these machines make mistakes? Who goes to prison when a robot kills 40 civilians at a wedding? And is there any way to stop this arms race before it's too late? That's part 2. And trust me, you need to watch it.